Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with rational numbers, exercise 2C, part 3. Evaluate. Here they have given three rational numbers and we have to evaluate them. Here, look at the denominator children. All the denominators are equal. When all the denominators are equal in rational number, you can directly add this numerator. So you can put it as minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 by 5. I am doing this only because the denominators are equal. Now one is having negative sign, other is having positive signs. First I am going to solve this minus 2 plus 1. Whenever it is, if it has integers, have one is minus and other is plus, just put the bigger number sign. Either 2 is bigger or 3 is bigger. And what sign does that bigger number have? Plus. So put the plus sign and subtract it. You'll get 1, right? So 1 minus 1 I have written down as it is. Now plus 1 minus 1, so it becomes 0. 0 by 5 is the answer. Now let's move on to the second one. Minus 8 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus minus 2 by 9. Even here the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, you can directly add the numerator. That is minus 8 plus 4 minus 2. Even here we can solve this first two integers. One is having negative sign, other is having positive sign. Always do the same thing. Whenever you find one is positive, other is negative, put the bigger number sign. That is 4 and 8. Which number is bigger? 8 is bigger. And what sign does it have? Minus. So put a minus sign and subtract it. 8 minus 4 will be 4. So that's why we got minus 4. Minus 2 I'm writing down as it is. Here once again both the integers are minus. Whenever you see both the integers are minus, just put a minus sign and add it. 4 plus 2 will be 6. So 6 by minus 6 by 9 is the answer. And here further you can divide it with a 3 table. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. This is how we got minus 2 by 3. I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the third one. Look here children, the denominators are different. So our first aim is to make the denominators equal. For making the denominators equal, we need to take the LCM of minus 24, 8 and 16. Before that, I have just changed this into a standard rational form because this is in a rational form, standard rational form. Because minus is in the numerator, sorry, not denominator, it's in the numerator, but here it is in the denominator. So to make this fraction, this are not fraction, rational number into a standard rational form, just get this minus to the numerator, that is minus 5 by 24. Now you can take the LCM of 24, 8 and 16, but here I have written 6. Sorry children, it's not 6, it's 16. In a rough work, just write down 24, 8, 16 and always start dividing it with the least number 2. 2 12s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are 16. Once again it is divisible with 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Once again 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Once again with 2, 2 1s are 2. And now just with 3 1s are 3. Now write down all these prime factors and multiply them. So what you get is 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 48. Right children? Now just take the first rational number, that is minus 5 by 24. Just write down over here, and to make the denominator into 48. Here it is 24 and you have to make this 24 into 48. For changing it, this 24 can be multiplied with 2. 24 2s are 48, right? That's why I'm multiplying with 2. Even the denominator should be multiplied with the same number which you are multiplying for the denominator. Minus into plus, minus 5 2s are 10. 24 into 2 is 48. Now just take the second rational number, that is minus 1 by 8, and to make this 8, only the denominator should be changed to 48. For that you need to multiply this 8 with 6, right? So 8 6 are 48, minus into plus, minus 6 1s are 6, because we had multiplying the denominator with 6. Even the numerator should be multiplied with the same number. Now take the third number, that is 3 by 16, and even here to make the 16 into 48 you have to multiply it with 3. 16 3s are 48, 3 3s are 9. Look here children, all the denominators are 48 now, so you can directly add them, right? Just write down minus 10 minus 6 plus 9 by 48. Here both are having minus sign, minus 10 and minus 6. Just put a minus sign and add it. It becomes C minus 16 plus 9. Now again one is having negative sign, other is having positive sign. You need to put the sign of minus because 16 is the bigger number when compared to 9. 16 is having minus sign. So put minus sign and subtract it. You will get minus 7 by 48. I hope you understood this. Let's move on. Here is the fourth question. Here, to make this into a rational standard form of rational number, you can cancel this minus minus and becomes positive, and in the second rational number the minus sign is in the denominator. Always the minus sign should be in the numerator for the standard rational form. First we need to check whether all of them are in the standard rational form or not. So now see, it is in a all the three rational numbers are in the standard rational form. Now our next step is to make the denominators equal. For making the denominators into equal, we are just taking the LCM of the denominator, that is 6, 15 and 30. It becomes 30. In a rough work, just write down 6, 15 and 30. Always start dividing these numbers with the least number, that is 2. 2 3s are 6. 15 you can write down as it is because it is not divisible with 2, and 2 15s are 30. And next, because 3 and 15 is not divisible with 2, we are moving on to the next number 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. Now it is divisible with only with 5. 5 1s are 5. So 2 into 3 into 5, it becomes 30. Now we have to take the first rational number, and here the denominator is 6, and we need to change the 6 into 30. For making 6 into 30, you need to multiply this 6 with 5. 6 5s is 30, right? Since we are multiplying the denominator with 5, even the numerator should be multiplied with the same number 5. So minus into plus, minus 5 7 5s are 35, 6 5s are 30. Now just take the second rational number, that is minus 4 by 15, and here it is 15. To make this 15 into 30, you have to multiply it with 2, and since the denominator is multiplied with 2, the numerator should also be multiplied with 2. Minus into plus is minus, 4 2s are 8, 15 2s are 30. Now take the third rational number, that is 4 by 30, and here the denominator is already 30, so you need to multiply it with 1. So it will be the same 4 by 30. Now the denominators are equal. Just add this three rational number, this number, here this number and this number. See, all the denominators are equal. So directly You can add the numerators now. Here, either you can solve minus 35 minus 8, or you can even solve minus 8 plus 4 first. Anything can be done, but make sure by seeing the signs you have to do it. See here, it is having, one is having positive, other is having negative. Always whenever one is having positive and negative, put the bigger number sign. That is 8 is bigger number and its sign is minus. So just put the minus sign and subtract it. So minus 4 will be the answer when you perform this minus 8 plus 4. And remaining all I have written as it is. Here both are having minus sign. Just put a minus sign and add it. It becomes minus 39 by 30. Right? And again, now further you can divide it with 3 table. 3 tens are 30. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So 13 minus 19 will be, minus 13 by 10 will be the answer. Here is the fifth question. Minus 2 plus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 15. Even here you need to take the LCM of the denominator. Since it is the integer, I am changing it into a rational number, that is minus 2 by 1. And LCM of 1, 5 and 15 will be 15. In a rough work, you can do this LCM. Just put 1, 5 and 15. Always start dividing with the least number 2. 2 is not divisible. So you can move on to the next number 3. 15 is divisible with 3. So 5 you can write down as it is. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s is 5. So 5 3s are 15 is the answer. Right? Now take the first rational number minus 2 by 1. And here we need to make the denominator as 15, but here it is 1. So multiply the denominator with 15. You will get 15. Minus into plus is minus. Always multiply the signs first. 15 twos are 30. It should become a habit for you. And take the second rational number, that is 2 by 5. And to make this 5 into 15, 5 should be multiplied with 3. 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s is 6. That is 6 by 15 is the answer for the second rational number. Next, take the third rational number minus 2 by 15. And since the denominator is already 15, you have to multiply it with the 1. So minus into plus is minus 2 by 15. Now just add all these three rational number. Because the denominators are equal now, you can add the numerators directly. That is minus 30 plus 6 minus 2. Now I have written down this 30 as it is, and just 6 plus 6 minus 2. Put the bigger number sign. What sign does the 6 have? Plus sign. So put the bigger number sign and subtract it. So it becomes 4. One is having negative sign, other is having positive sign. Just put the bigger number sign, that is 30 sign is minus. So put the minus sign and subtract it. It becomes minus 26 by 15 is the answer. Sixth question, minus 11 by 12 plus 5 by 16 plus minus 3 by 8. Here all these three are in the standard form of rational number. So directly start taking the LCM of 12, 16 and 8. It becomes 48. How to make a LCM is, just in a rough area, write down 12, 16 and 8 and start multiplying with the least number 2. 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again start with the least number 2. Because this 6, 8 and 4, all these three are divisible with 2. Start with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again divided with 2 because 4 and 2 are divisible with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, it becomes 48. I hope you understood how to do a LCM. Now just take the first rational number, that is minus 11 by 12, and to make this 12 into 48, 12 should be multiplied with 4. 12 fours are 48. And similarly, the numerator should also be multiplied with the same number 4 because we are multiplying with 4 in the denominator. So minus into plus is minus. 11 fours are 44. 12 fours are 48. Take the second rational number 5 by 16, and to make this 16 into 48 you have to multiply it with 3. 5 threes are 15. So 15 by 48. Take the third rational number minus 3 by 8, and this denominator 8 should be multiplied with 6 to make it into 48. Minus into plus is minus. 6 threes are 18. 8 6 are 48. I hope you understood this. Now just add all these three rational numbers. Because the denominators are equal, you can directly add the numerators. So you can just write down as minus 44 plus 15 minus 18 by 48. Just I am writing down this minus 44 as it is, and here plus 15 and minus 18. One is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. So put the bigger number sign, that is 18 sign is minus. So put the bigger number sign and subtract it, it becomes minus 3. Here both are having minus sign, just put a minus sign and add it, it becomes 47 by 48. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for the rational numbers part 1, 2 and so on. Thank you.